today me and Adam are going to be putting a new clutch into his Mk6 Ford Fiesta.
So I got to Adam's and we cracked on with getting the car jacked up straight away. We wanted to do this because we knew it was going to be a massive job and we just wanted to make a straight start on it, get that car in the air.
Okay, that's all done.
Yeah, this chock we've got's really
helpful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's mega helpful. It's really stopping the car from rolling forwards there.
Yeah. So eventually we got the car in the air and Adam noticed something a bit suspicious about the inside of his driver's side wheel.
Buckled a little bit. Yeah. There. Not from this side. Right there.
A little bit, Jesus Christ.
That'll be fun.
What are they made out of?
I don't know, because that's two now.
That's really...
So in these clips we're taking the wheels off. We just wanted to get those wheels off so we could start getting the lower control arms off. And here we're making a start on undoing all the bolts that connect the wheel hub to the lower control arm. But then we realised something pretty major that we didn't have.
Stupid and haven't got the right bits.
And so what does this mean for us here?
We need to go to Screwfix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's the reason again?
Because I'm stupid.
You describe to the camera what currently is our situation.
Yeah, we're trying to take the drive shaft out. And we don't have a Torx bit to be able to do that.
Adam cracked on with ordering the correct size Torx bit from Screwfix.
So where are we at with the car right now? We've taken the wheels off.
Yeah. Undone one bolt. And that is it.
Our situation currently is we got one bolt off to get the drive shafts off, and then we realised that we don't have a Torx bit that's big enough to take the drive shaft off. That's it really, so I'll see you when we've got the bits.
So once we had the correct size Torx bit, we got on with taking the wheel hub off the lower control arm and disconnecting the drive shaft. We also drained all of the oil out of the transmission, and then we moved around to the other side and found a new problem.
Here we have a very pissed off Adam.
Yeah.
Can you tell me why you're pissed off?
Because I decided to do my clutch on my own with you.
Whoa, that wasn't very nice. Well, the problem we've run into is that on this side here, while you try and drop the car under it, it's held in with rivets.
Yeah.
It's held in with these rivets here, and on this side, over here, it's held in, as you can see, some bolts. And we can't undo this side, so we can't get this prop shaft out, but we can on this side. And then, so basically we just can't take the gearbox out because this is still connected. So we're going to go away and think about it, pretty much. And now it's started to rain.
Yeah, I know.
And Adam is not happy.
And then in the pouring rain, we dropped the car back onto its wheels, and there was only one thing left to do.
Hi, can I take your order, please?
Hi, can I get a Galaxy McFlurry, please? No clutch today.
Nah.
Feel defeated then.
Yeah, me too.
And unfortunately, that's the end of the video. We couldn't get the clutch out because we couldn't get the gearbox out. So tune in next week to see if we actually do get the clutch out and replace it. I'm sure we will, because we were both just really annoyed that we couldn't get it done. Anyway, if you liked the video, drop a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because it lets us know you like what we're making. And alright, enjoy us eating McFlurries in defeated silence. I'll see you next time.
park this way so we can see the cool cars that go past.
Yeah, fair enough.
There's nothing